Hi everyone, this is Wasilik, your broker at the real estate store. I'm here at an amazing property. It's one of the lowest prices in the area. You'd be amazed. Give me 1 minute and you'll see the value of this property. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. Unbelievable price, but come and look at the house first. As you've seen, this house is 2,700 square feet, huge living room, and on this side you have a gourmet kitchen. On this side of the room, you have your family room with a fireplace, and again, 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, let's check upstairs. And behind me, you have your 3 bedrooms with 1 bath. And here's your master bedroom. It's 16 by 16. It's huge with its own master bathroom and walk-in closet. And as a bonus, a huge loft for your family. Now again, it's an incredible price. Where are you gonna get a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a big loft for $450,000? My name is Wasilik Klimenko. Call me today for a private showing. I'll see you at your new home.